Hindi pa rin makamove on si Andrea Brillantes sa kanyang memorable experience last Saturday, June 29, kung saan ay nanood siya ng fan meet ng South Korean actor na si Kim Soo-hyun sa Araneta Coliseum. Sa nasabing event, buong ningning na nakasuot pa ng wedding gown ng aktres at feeling niya, bride siya ni KSH. Still can't move on, simula ni Andrea sa kanyang latest Instagram post. A few years ago, I decided to stop being super vocal about my interest in the K-drama at K-pop industry. I experienced extreme backlash when I was a kid for simply sharing my fangirl moments from groups and series that I loved, and I received a lot of hate. Since then, I've tried not to post and just remain a quiet fan from afar, pero minsan napapapost pa rin. It's been 7 years since that traumatic experience, so I feel like I have more courage to share my fangirl moments now that I am already 21 and not 14 anymore, kwento ni Andrea. Masaya raw siya na finally ay nakita na niya ng personal ang iniidolong South Korean actor. I know people will still have a lot to say, but I am just too happy to finally have seen Kim Soo-hyun because I've been following him since I was 13, and he's literally my #1 big Korean crush ever since, sabi pa ni Andrea. Ini-reveal din niyang simple lang dapat ang suot niya sa fan meet at last-minute decision ang pagsusuot ng wedding gown. Shout out to my stylist Ate Kath. A month prior to this fan meet, we already discussed what to wear, and I was really just supposed to wear a simple cardigan and skirt. But while getting ready, I don't know what made me say this, but I asked, Ate, do you have a wedding gown? Kaya kulang ang props ko kasi last-minute decision pero naitawid pa rin, kwento ni Andrea. Ikinwento rin ng aktres na nag-breakdown pa siya on the day of the fan meeting dahil nawala ang kanyang ticket. Good thing, ginawan daw talaga ng paraan ng kuya niya para palitan ang ticket at mapanood niya ang idolo. Shout out to my brother, as you can see on the last slide, that's me having a breakdown because on the morning of the event, we couldn't find my tickets as in parang nag-disappear bigla sa house, so I was really heartbroken, but thank you to my kuya because he waited all day sa Araneta to claim the lost tickets and gumawa ng paraan for me to watch and see my idol, sabi niya. At ang mensahe niya kay KSH, last shoutout sa asawa ko po, miss na kita, see you ulit pagbalik mo, mag-wedding gown pa rin ako hanggang sa magtabi tayo sa picture. Ayon pa kay Andrea, feeling daw talaga niya ay ikinasal siya kay KSH ng time na yun. One of the happiest days of my life, as in feel ko talaga, ikinasal ako, kahit nga di na siguro ako ikasal happy na ako rito, we love you, Kim Soo-hyun, pagtatapos ng aktres. Sa comment section ay humirit pa ulit si Andrea at ikinwentong nabaliw daw siya nang magsuot din ng white si KSH na tila tinarnuhan ang kanyang wedding gown. Share ko lang pala, nabaliw talaga ako nung nagbihis siya ng all white, sa mga post niya, wala siyang ganun, so syempre, delulu ako na matchy kami, aniya.